Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Lots of Hearts bundle. So here's the Lots of Heart bundle. This is a fabulous bundle with a ton of dies. I love all these hearts. So you've got some heart stamps and some sentiments, and look at this cute line of hearts here. But oh my gosh, I love these dies. They have all these hearts, and flowers, a flowered heart, and then this little dotted heart, and then this creates an outline heart, and then the scalloped heart, and a little bird, and X heart. So cute. I love these dies. So I used this heart die right here, and I created a little template. I just cut it out of a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 cardstock, and I'm going to use this to create a little heart on my background here. So I'm just going to center this. My piece is a little bit smaller, and I'm just going to use one of our new blending brushes. Have you tried these yet? They are awesome. I love them. I'm going to grab some ink, and I am just going to slowly and softly start rubbing some ink on here. Just going to do it in some swirls. And then you can push as hard as you want to get darker. You can make it as dark or as light as you want. I'm going to make it a medium darkness. You can get more ink if you want. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe a little bit darker. Okay, so there's our heart. So now I'm going to keep this template in place because I also want to stamp this little flower stamp all over in the Gorgeous Grape too. So I want to stamp like one here at the bottom, and then I want to stamp maybe one over here, and then one over here. So this is kind of fun. You can stamp inside your mask. Inside the heart here. Do one more flower over here. And then we've got this cute little flowered heart. Really easy, simple, but just really pretty. So now I'm just going to layer this on black. Make it really pop. Then I'm going to emboss my sentiment. And I always love to pop up this layer here. I'm going to just emboss this sentiment. My little powder. You're all heart. So I've got my Versamark and my white embossing powder. Just ink this up. And I'll stamp this in the middle. Sorry if my head got in the way. And then I'm gonna heat this up. Now I'm gonna emboss my sentiment. You're all heart. Okay, and now I can add this to the card with some dimensionals. And then I've got this little heart right here, and I cut it out with the dies, and it perfectly fits these heart charms. And so I'm gonna add a little heart charm with it. So we're gonna do the You're All Heart. And then we're gonna add the heart charm. And see how it perfectly fits over? Just perfectly fits over this little heart. And so this little heart is right here in the dies. So cute. It's just a perfect fit. So I'm gonna try using some of this glue. It worked last time. Yeah, I think I should hear this. And there's your finished card. Isn't that cute? So cute with the little heart. We did the masked heart. I'm offering a card kit on this bundle, and it includes these 3 designs and a slimline card. So if you place a $30 order by going to my website and using this January host code, I will send you this card kit for free. Or when you purchase this bundle, I will also send you the card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Lots of Heart card kit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.